Okay, so we're going to step back on the right and then do side close side, which is also known as cha-cha-cha. Forward on the left, cha-cha-cha. Back on the right, cha-cha-cha. Forward on the left, cha-cha-cha. Now we're going to do a Cuban break. Step across with the right, then put a little bit of weight on the right foot. Across, a little bit of weight. Then we're going to do this faster. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now step, step, side, close, side. Step, step, side, close, side. Slightly faster. Step, step, side. Step, step, side. Turn with the left foot. Cha-cha-cha. And then turn with the right foot. Cha-cha-cha. And remember, you can slow this down with this video. So if you want to go over a bit slower, just slow the video down.
If there's a dog in the way, I will re-record. So we've got 2 basics, starting with the forward replace on the left foot. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Then back on the right. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Forward on the left. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. We've now got 2 slow Cuban breaks over on the left. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now 2 fast Cuban breaks. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Marking time. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Marking time again. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Syncopated. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Spot turn. 2, 3 basic. Cha cha cha. Spot turn. 2, 3, cha cha cha.
You're getting loose, gotta blame it on the goose, gotta blame it on my juice.